Digestion of which food component starts in the oral cavity? Digestion of carbohydrates begins in the oral cavity. Which muscular tube passes through the pharynx and connects to the stomach? The esophagus is a muscular tube that carries food from the pharynx to the stomach. Which part of the digestive system does not come in direct contact with food? The liver is not in direct contact with food but contributes to digestion by producing bile. Which structure prevents food from entering the respiratory passage? The epiglottis is a flap of tissue that covers the trachea during swallowing. What is the first part of the large intestine? The large intestine begins with the cecum. Scurvy results from a deficiency of which vitamin? Scurvy occurs due to a deficiency of vitamin C. Bile is primarily used in which process? Bile, produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder, helps emulsify fats in the intestine. Which enzyme in the stomach curdles milk? Renin is a proteolytic enzyme produced in the stomach that curdles milk. The process of swallowing is controlled by which part of the body? Swallowing is controlled by the medulla oblongata. Which part of the digestive system is mainly responsible for absorbing digested food? Ileum, the final section of the small intestine, absorbs most nutrients from digested food. Which hormone stimulates the secretion of pancreatic juice? Secretin is released when chyme enters the small intestine and stimulates the pancreas to secrete pancreatic juice. How many main sites of digestion are there in the human digestive system? The three main sites of digestion are the mouth, stomach, and small intestine. How many major salivary glands are present in the human oral cavity? Humans have three paired major salivary glands: parotid, submandibular, and sublingual, totaling 6 glands. What condition results from a slow rate of peristalsis? Slow peristalsis in the intestines leads to constipation. Which disease is caused by vitamin deficiency? Beriberi results from a deficiency of vitamin B1. Which germ layer forms the digestive system in vertebrates? The digestive system in vertebrates develops from the endoderm, one of the three primary germ layers. Which type of stomach mucosa cells secrete pepsinogen? Zymogen cells in the stomach mucosa secrete pepsinogen. The deficiency of which vitamin causes night blindness? Vitamin A is necessary for normal vision, and lacking it can result in night blindness. Which vitamin is produced by endosymbiont bacteria in the large intestine? Endosymbiont bacteria in the large intestine synthesize vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting. Which enzyme precursor is activated by enterokinase? Enterokinase activates trypsinogen into trypsin in the duodenum. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe if you want more quizzes like these. Bye bye!